We're very excited to officially announce the launch of the Ultimate Guide to 2D Mobile Game Development with Unity on Udemy, which is taught by Jonathan Weinberger. Jonathan Weinberger is a self-taught software engineer based in Atlanta who has built a reputation as a Unity expert and a highly effective programming teacher. Also, he as well as the author of the bestseller in Unity course over 21,000 students on Udemy. His fifth Udemy course, The Ultimate Guide to 2D Mobile Game Development with Unity, created in partnership with Unity Technologies. This is the course you've been looking for to master C#, Unity Ads, 2D mobile game development, and publishing. Furthermore, after completion of this course, students will have confidence in their ability to utilize the latest and greatest game development techniques and will be able to create, monetize, and publish their own unique Android mobile games. This course has already garnered enthusiastic student reviews and a 4.8 rating, putting Jonathan well on his way to having a bestseller course. A little bit about the Ultimate Guide to 2D Mobile Game Development with Unity course and what students can look forward to learning. This course is an excellent way to teaches you how to create profitable and engaging mobile apps. You'll be able to create a dungeon escape adventure game using 2D animations while fine-tuning your C# programming skills with intermediate concepts like class inheritance, abstract classes, and interfaces. This course is an excellent way to how to monetize your game by integrating Unity ads, and you'll set up a system to reward the player for choosing to watch an ad. You'll be able to utilize the Singleton Design Manager to create powerful manager classes that help delegate actions in your game. Finally, this course is an excellent way to how to publish your app to the Google Play Store. After completion of this Unity course, you will understand Unity ad implementation, Google Play Store publishing, and more intermediate to advanced C# principles. Once finished, the student completing this course will leave this course with confidence in their ability to utilize the latest and greatest game development techniques and will be able to create, monetize, and publish their own unique Android mobile games. If you want to create the next big Android mobile game, but aren't sure where to begin? If you're curious about ad integration with mobile games? How to learn 2D mobile game development with Unity? If so, get your bliss on here, the Ultimate Guide to 2D Mobile Game Development with Unity. What am I going to get from this course? This course is an excellent way to learn to paint your worlds with Unity Tile Map. You'll be able to master intermediate C# concepts, including the Singleton design pattern, abstract classes, and interfaces. You'll be able to develop a complete 2D game from scratch using C# and Unity. You'll be able to discover 2D animation workflows. You'll be able to create modular systems. This course is an excellent way to learn how to monetize your mobile game with Unity ads. This course is an excellent way to learn how to publish your mobile game. And much more. What is the ideal student for this course? This course is perfect for anyone who is interested in creating mobile Android games in Unity that implement Unity ads and who want to publish games to the Google Play Store. This course will be perfect for you. Furthermore, Udemy also offers the Ultimate Guide to 2D Mobile Game Development with Unity. Get the coupon codes, it is up to 95% discount on regular price. Sign up now. Visit now and get your coupons before they expire.